Hello everyone, welcome to Easy Excel tip number 2. Today we are going to look at how to use filter options in Excel. So here we go. To understand how to put filter on, let's take this data as an example. Okay, suppose you have some details about some students, their gender, their scores on some particular subject, a total score, and a result. Okay, and you want to filter out how many male or female are there. Probably you maybe you want to see how many students were fail, pass, absent, present, and all these data you want to see. Okay, so to put your filter, you just need to go to data and then click on the filter option. Filter will be applied, and accordingly you can see how many male female are there, or you can just sort according to your choice. So absent, these are fail, and all the people who are on the bottom side, they are all pass. Okay, you can also remove which one you do not want. If you want only the pass students detail, you can just filter it out, and as per your requirement you can filter and you can apply filter, and you can work on your Excel data. If you just want to put it off, click on the filter again and it will be removed from the Excel. Okay, so this is how we put filter. Bonus, what is the keyboard shortcut for filter? um, there are two filters. One where you don't need to put press all the keys simultaneously, so one by one you have to put. The first one is, first you press alt key on your keyboard, then the letter A key, and then the letter T. Alt A T. Clear? So how is it? Alt A T. Filter on. And if you want to put it off, Alt A T. Filter gone. Second keyboard shortcut is press simultaneously three keys. Number one, Shift. Number two, Control. And number three, the letter L key. So Shift, Control, L. Press all the three keys simultaneously together. Filter on. And if you want to put it off, press the key again. Shift, Control, L. It's gone. And one of the most common mistake people usually make is they don't keep their mouse cursor on the selected box and they apply filter, which will not work. Okay, so if you do so, it will give you error like this. So try to avoid this. That is all for now. I'll see you in the next tip. Take care and bye bye.